Welcome to our guide on how to enable password reset protection on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the Twitter application on your PC. Next, navigate to the menu on the left-hand side and click on More to access additional options. Now locate and click or tap on the Settings and Privacy button to proceed to your account settings. Within the Settings menu, find and select the Account option to manage your account preferences. Under the Login and Security section, choose Security to access security-related settings. Finally, ensure the protection of your account by checking the box next to Password Reset Protect. By enabling this feature, you add an extra layer of security to your Twitter account, safeguarding it from unauthorized access and ensuring a secure password reset process. Protect your account and personal information by following these simple steps to enable password reset protection on Twitter using your PC. Stay secure and in control of your account with this added security measure.